Hey guys, and welcome back. So right here we have this blue Yeti. This is the Blackout, the ultimate USB microphone for all professional recording. All right, so we got this Yeti. This is the blue Yeti. This is the Blackout version. There's 4 settings, infinite possibilities. This Yeti is one of the most advanced and versatile multi-pattern USB microphones available anywhere. So right here at the bottom, it does tell you that there's cardioid, omnidirectional, bidirectional, and you do have stereo mode. So this just basically tells you which mode is good for what. So if you are doing a voiceover or a blog, you'd want to use the cardioid. It also has the gain in here. So this is the omnidirectional, and then you got the bidirectional. So it just gives you some information right here as to voiceovers, podcast, Skype, and Discord. Game streaming would be best for cardioid. So let's go ahead and make our way inside the box so we can see what everything comes in here. So right here you get a little notice. It says Yeti, which is a noun, legendary, ape-like creature, an incredibly versatile USB microphone found for worldwide. This does work on Windows and Mac, anything that basically uses a USB. So at the bottom you have Español, Italiano, you have Deutsch. They also have Chinese, and I can't make out what the other one is. So on the other side of the box, it basically just tells you a little bit about this, which says it's the ultimate professional USB microphone, triple capsule. You have the mic gain control, the gain. You have 4 popular patterns, which is stereo, cardioid, omni, and bidirectional. And then you have the master volume, the mute button. You have the headphone output, which that is on the bottom. You have a USB mint jack. You have the stand itself. So let's go ahead and make our way to inside the box itself. Let me open this up without actually ripping it. So this microphone comes in well packaged. Just got to make our way in here so we don't rip the box. Just going to pull this out. Bear with me, it's actually snugged and tight up in here. So now that we got it out of the box, the first thing that you see here is the USB plug that plugs into your computer and into the microphone itself. So just going to remove it from its packet. And you can see right here, it is a USB that sets into your computer, whether it be a laptop or a desktop. You do get the owner's manual. So right here just tells you a little bit about it, about all the buttons, your gain, your volume, your headphone volume, the stand, how to connect it, how to speak into it. So it's basically telling you want to speak it to on the side, not on top. And then where your mute button, your volume for your headphones. Alright, so let's go back into the box. So right here you get some warnings, some safety instructions. Some is in English, some is in Chinese. Let's go ahead and throw that to the side. We're going to remove this little part right here to get into the microphone. While pulling this microphone out, I did feel that it is very nice. It is heavy, not too heavy, but definitely you can tell it is of quality. In fact, I had a little trouble of getting out of the box. And that's everything that you do get inside the box. So now we're going to dip into the microphone itself. So at the bottom here of the stand, it does have little feet, so it does not move around your desk. You can see the protected thing from the bottom. That just helps it from not sliding around your desk. It's very soft here. So here's the microphone upside down view. So this is the front of it, which is your mute button, and you have your volume button from your headphones. So on the bottom side there is your plug that goes into your USB, and there's your headphone port. And there's, if you want a stand, you could put it in a stand using that part at the bottom. So this does come with a little thing at the bottom, so it does protect your microphone during transport or shipping. So you don't have to worry about it being all dented up. That's why this little piece right here is set there to protect your microphone. So if you're moving and you need to box this up, I would highly recommend using that so it can protect your microphone from damage. So now on this side you can see there is a gain button and you have your other modes. So this is what the microphone looks like head on. It is very good quality. It is heavy to tell that it is a very good quality microphone. In fact, I am using the Yeti right now. That's what I'm doing the review on. So it's nice and sturdy. It doesn't jerk around. There's the mute button. You have your headphone volume. So you just push it in to mute. I did notice when it's flashing, basically flashing means that it's muted. When it's solid red, that basically means that it is not muted. So there's your volume for your headphones. If you want to do like podcast or something, headphones might be the best. If you want to tighten this up or remove it and put it on a stand, you want to remove these two sides. That's where you'll put in your stand. So it's suggested to use this using it sideways and not straight on, or you will not get a clear quality. So if you want to tighten it up, and you don't want it to move, just tighten up these little bolts on the side. Overall, I would say this is a very nice microphone. I've been through many microphones before. I've had the Blue Snowball. That was actually a pretty nice microphone, but I was trying to upgrade to a better microphone with a better stand, because I know when you do move stands around, it tend to be a lot of noise and annoying. Well, the good thing about this, it doesn't scratch your desk, so it has like these little pads at the bottom to keep it set. The fact that you can set your gain and your volume is a plus. I would definitely say this is the best mic that I have tried out so far. Not seeing if they have another microphone coming out. I will definitely be checking this one out because I do love the Yeti.